Hello and welcome to Untitled Chapter, and today I'll be doing a reading for Cancer, okay? So this is going to be for any planet or star you have in your chart under Cancer. If you do, great. If you don't, great as well. You probably have a message in here for you, so keep an ear out, okay? And if you are a cross-watcher, I welcome you with open arms, because heaven knows I was a cross-watcher for many a video myself. So I get you and I got you. Now, the way I work is that I first pull cards from the Radlech Valentine Fairy Tarot deck, then I clarify those with Brian Froud's Fairy Oracle, and if I need any further clarification, I use Sylvia Netzer's Mirror Truth the Norman deck, okay? Now, I'd like to remind you that we all have an intuition. It's key that we learn how to use it, so check out the video I post on Monday for that. And and a reading is like a snapshot of the possible future that might arise if you continue doing what you've been doing. If you don't like the outcome, you're gonna have to change what you do. Well, if you don't resonate, it's not for you. But if you do resonate and you don't like the outcome, then you gotta change what you're doing. Okay, now with that being said, my gorgeous Cancers, let's get into your cards. Yeah. Please, angels and guides, anyone from highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week. Please, angels and guides, anyone with the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week. And you have the Renewal card in the upright. Okay, now next. Please, angels and guides, anyone for the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week. Please, angels and guides. Then you got the Prince of Winter in the upright. Now, please, angels and guides, anyone for the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week. Please. Thank you. And you got Balance, Temperance card. Okie dokie. So, please, angels and guides, anyone from the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week. Please, angels and guides, anyone from the highest good who has a message. And you got the Six of Winter. Das ist nice. Well, you got two majors and two winters that are like sequential, so it starts with a major winter. Maybe next winter is gonna be major. I don't know. Okay. Now, or at least a major winter for you. You might experience it more. So, please, angels and guides, we're clarifying now. Please clarify why the Renewal card is here in the upright for my Cancers. Please, angels and guides, anyone who has good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect. And you got Unity, followed by it'll be the Retriever at the bottom of the deck, which has Iris of the Rainbow behind that, and Los Cunas behind that. Yep. Hip hop, a hippie to hip hop. Okay then. First musical reference of the night. A hip, a hop, a hip, a hippie to hip hop. Cancer. A hip. A hop. A hip. A hippie. Okay. Next, you have the Prince of Winter. Please, angels and guides, anyone from the house good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share why the Prince of Winter is here in the upright. Please, angels and guides, anyone. And you got List of the Shadows with the Oak Man at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Then Balance. Please, angels and guides, anyone from the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what they should expect for the coming week by clarifying the Balance card. Yes. And you have Tintin the Sylph with the Feline at the bottom of the deck, followed by Sylvanius and Topsy Turvets. And Arvel Parrot. And Geo the Slow. And the Fawn. And She the Crotch. Look at how these cards resemble each other to a certain degree. But this one is the Fawn, while this one is She the Crotch. It looks more like a shield or a weapon. This kind of looks like an angel. Yep. Kinda. Huh. That is so cool. See, She the Crotch is number 5, while as the Fawn is number 35. 35. Interesting. So please, angels and guides, and with the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, please come forward and share what the Seven of Winter is all about. Please, angels and guides, and with the highest good who has a message for my Cancers, what is the Seven of Winter all about? Gotcha! Surprise! Followed by Honesty at the bottom of the deck. If you'll give me a moment, I want to make sure that I accurately, by the way, I use selenite on my decks. I just want to make sure this renewal card is what? Yep, Judgment is what I thought. Okay, so you start out with the Renewal card, which is Judgment in normal tarot. Okay, it says review the past and the present so you can plan a bright new future. Understanding your life purpose, releasing judgments and releasing judgment of yourself and others. So bringing everything to an equal playing ground. Basically starting all over again. Starting the match at 0. Now, the reason for that is you got Unity, which talks of union, mystical experiences, spiritual home. So basically starting back from scratch will allow you to build a strong foundation in teamwork with others. And the reason for that is this dude right here, the Office of Unclaimed Properties, hopes and wishes, loyalties. So when you start all over again, but not like a fake starting all over again, like a real starting over again, when you all start from scratch, no records, nothing whatsoever, then someone might feel that they have a new chapter, they can start anew. And what is interesting is that Unity is the number 1 card in this deck, and it'll be the Retriever is number 41. 41. Aye. Okay. Then you got Iris of the Rainbow. So whatever this is, it's going to give you much, it's going to bring you hope and a new promise for the future. You're going to look forward to what's coming. Okay? But in order to cement this, in order to make sure that that is what you are receiving, you need to first go find your sunken treasure. You need to go on a discovery of self and go on an adventure inwards. Okay? I have no idea why Game of Thrones just popped into my mind, but it just did. Game of Thrones. Opening credits. Okay. Now, next you have the Prince of Winter. Now, the Prince of Winter is an intellectual, determined, focused, impulsive individual. Okay, to seek out an intellectual solution to your problems, the need to act quickly and decisively, sudden or unexpected changes. Yep. Sudden or unexpected changes. Well, it's already in the first description, which is impulsive. Hello. You know what I mean. You can. Which is but with a Scottish accent. Thanks to Outlander. In any case. Then you have a List of the Shadows. First card clarifying is List of the Shadows, okay? And List of the Shadows talks of healing the shadows, addictions, bondage, self-esteem. So it is basically calling you to go within to figure out what needs to be renewed, what needs to be, seeing as renewal is judgment, you are suggested to go within to figure out how to put a cap on your impulse. If this is you or this is someone else, whatever it is, it's suggested that you go within to determine how to put a cap on your impulsivity, okay? And that will give you a lot of strength, a lot of ancient wisdom, depth. Basically, it'll give you a control over yourself that no one has ever been able to accomplish. Okay? So the next card you got is the Balance card, which is actually, I want to see something else. Oh no. Judgment is assigned to no sign. So you have Balance, and Balance is a Temperance card in this deck. Temperance is attached to Sagittarius. So, just so you know, Saggy. Now, you got a 49, 45, and a 45 and a 65. So, first you have Tintin the Sylph, which talks of acute intellect, quickness, mental synthesis, discernment. So you are able to balance all... Oh, did I even read? Okay. Excuse me. Balance, okay, what is written at the bottom is take everyone's input into consideration, merge viewpoints to create a better solution, take your time, there's no need to rush. Basically, being able to synthesize and discern is take other people's take other people's opinions into consideration, merge viewpoints to make a better solution. And then you have the feline, right? The feline talks of getting it right, delayed completions, tidying up loose ends. Really making sure that you do it right the first time around is what I'm getting. And in order to allow you to get it right the first time, you really need to be able to cut through deception. Cut through deception and be able to see clearly. Okay, I'm hearing, I can see clearly now, the rain has gone. Now, I don't know if that is because I just talked of clarity, or whatever it is. That's what came to mind. I can see clearly now, the rain has gone. Clearly now, the rain has gone. Yes. Has gone. It's a G. Okay. Alright. So something that will help you to cut through this deception is by changing your viewpoint, to be able to understand what really needs to happen. Okay. Then you have Arval Parrot, which talks of communication, mainly, yes. Okay, then you have Geo the Slow, which talks of cycles, slowness, waiting, patience. So it's that you need to take your time with this. It might take some time for you to really be able to put all the components together to allow for this. But once you do, okay, this is amazing. You got Shiv the Cruach, and Shiv the Cruach talks of the receptive principle, fertility, nurturing. So you will be able to tap into whatever it is that you need to tap into to get ahead in this game, and you will come out victorious. Okay, and next card is the Fawn. And the Fawn talks of understanding the nature of nature, natural wisdom, natural magic. So once you do this Shiv the Cruach, once you get through this Shiv the Cruach energy, which means you are able to, you understand and you receive the information that is coming towards you, you will then later be able to utilize this information and understand the nature of the situation at hand. Okay? Then the last set of cards, you have Six of Winter in the upright. Now the Six of Winter in the upright is positive changes are on their way, a welcome relief from troubled times, traveling or relocating. But whatever it is, twill surprise you. Surprise! Because this is gotcha. Okay, and gotcha is sudden shock, unexpected events, rude awakenings. Okay, but what is suggested to you for this time is that you stay honest to yourself and honest to the situation, and be honest with the people in this situation and tell them how you relate to what this information that you have received is and whatnot, you know. So, this is a very interesting reading, my Cancers. Yeah, so if you guys like this and if you'd like me to go deeper into your specific situation, please contact me at the email in the box below and it'll be my pleasure to assist, okay? In that same box, you'll find a little description of this video and my prize. Now, with that being said, I would like to remind you that we all have an intuition and it's key that we learn how to use it. So, check out the video I post on Monday for that. And with that being said, my gorgeous Cancers, I wish you guys all a very good week and I will see you next time, okay? Bye!